Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, still Wednesday, April the 6th, 2022. We have here 6 extra puzzles. I only do 3 of them, half of them. The first one I've already solved, the 3 stars puzzle. And now it's time, for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4371. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3. 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so here can be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then I think we need to compare. No. Here we have double O. Here one, there one. Then we need to compare. Then we need to compare. Can we compare the rows? We have 3 completed rows. 101. This row and that row. 1 1. 0 1 1 0 1 1. Empty box. Empty box. 0 0. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's. Oh wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then here we have 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, only one time comparing. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.